Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open WhatsApp. Normally, if you want to lock a chat, you swipe left on it, tap the three dots, and select Lock Chat. After that, tap Continue, and the chat will be locked using Face ID or whatever security method you're using. Once locked, it appears in the Locked Chats section, which you can access by swiping down. However, sometimes chats can be hidden as well. So how do you find those? To hide a locked chat, you need to go into the settings and set up a secret code. For example, you can enter a code like 12345, tap Next, and confirm it again. Once done, the hidden chat will no longer appear in your chat list, even if you swipe down. Now, to find that hidden chat, you must remember the secret code you created. Simply go to the search bar in WhatsApp and type in that code. In my case, I'll type 12345, but yours could be any passcode or number you chose. Once you enter the correct code, your hidden chat will appear. If you want to remove the lock, just tap on the chat, hit Continue, and it will unlock. After that, the chat will return to your normal chat list. So remember, hidden locked chats can only be found by entering the secret code in the search bar. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. See you in the next one.